This home is brought to you by Roxana Shepley. If you would like to learn more about how your home could be listed by Roxana, visit her at www.roxanashepleyrealtor.com or call 478-256-3120. Beautiful updated 3-bed/3-bath ranch. Per seller, new furnace installed February 2021, new custom sliding doors and kitchen windows, new front entry door and updated light fixtures. Kitchen has IKEA cabinets, gas range west/pot filler, wine cooler and farmhouse sink, pop-up electrical outlets built into the kitchen counters. No carpet, tile and wood laminate flooring.